My pretty Annabella, you the main man picking and grace. When the bike full of up in the motor to just beg on me, one see for your face. My sexy Annabella, you the main man picking and grace. When the bike full of up in the motor to just beg on me, one see for your face.
Video pa ko. See you anymore. Play your game.
Kontrak ko na iban. Wala may kontrak sa butuo.
She's gonna to be where you are, and I don't get that. She say I love the life we made, and I'm still not ashamed. Right here with you, the bed won't wait. I'll always remember this way. Every time we say
Iba't ibang kultura ang aming kayamanan. Mula kay Apo, waling at durian, maapaw sa
Go. So I'm sure there are still a lot of bird diet or different type of bird diet like seed-eating bird, worm-eating bird, and a lot more. We've just scratched the surface, and to continue the next part of the show, allow me to call my partner, Ma'am Liz, to guide us through this nature and culture discovery experience. Daghang salamat.
Ayan, maraming salamat, Miss Jenny. Mabuhay ug madayaw, everyone. My name is Liz and I am very excited to be a part of your nature and culture discovery experience. By the way, my partners over here are both Eclectus parrots. And something very interesting in the Eclectus parrot family, no, is for them, iba po ang kulay ng mga babae at iba po ang kulay ng mga lalaki. Now, I'd like to ask everyone here this morning, between these two birds, which one do you think is the girl? Is it the green one or the red one?
Red one.
Ayan ako, halo-halo yung mga sagot natin, no? Ganito na lang para klaro. For those of you who thinks that the green one is the girl, can you raise your hand para makita ko? Who among you here thinks that the
Lengthwise, fold it lengthwise, pahaba po.
hold it at the tip and hold it as high as you can para makita na ating teacher bird. Once again, if you have any extra paper bill, any amount will do. And then pag may extra money,
Financial
ako sabi ni Teacher Waki, mag-shopping raw po. Of course, save some for the bank for savings, another one for shopping. Of course, save some for travel, and the last one will be... Sige nga, Teacher Waki, what's the last one for? It's for bank for savings once again. Palakpakan naman for Teacher Waki, everyone. Now, what Teacher Waki is trying to tell us now is that it's okay to the headband to say hello to everyone. Now, for this morning, for our PE time, nagba-basketball showdown na po ang ating mga kakatus. Of course, bago sila magba-basketball showdown, mag-warm up raw po muna sila. So, sige nga, anong warm up ninyong dalawa? Ayan, palakpakan naman for our players, everyone. Nag-scooter po si Kaka. Po tayo. So our players are ready, set, play ball. Let's shoot for team. Kaka, Yuki, Kaka, Yuki. Ganado si Kaka. Ready. Now both our players on their second look to place for Kaka. Ready, two, and chieftain was praying for the birds for divine intervention. That's usually very common because birds are biological indicators. So if you happen to be in a storm or in calamity, and if you happen to see birds flying up ahead in a circular motion, that's usually a good indicator that it is now safe to return. So please look for these kinds of signs. In every disaster, we are given a chance to rebuild, to assess our mistakes, and to learn from them. We hope you join us in our efforts to preserve and conserve the environment. Remember to always be part of the solution and not part of the pollution. That ends our show this morning. We hope you learned something new. And more importantly, cherish this moment with your family, friends, and loved ones in this beautiful place we call Malagos Garden Resort. By the way, this is the cast and crew of the longest running interactive bird show here in the Philippines. By the way, we have been doing this for the past 22 years already. And for our final words, we have Rudy over here to say to everyone, bye everyone! Ikang salamat at mayang buntag kaninyong tanan.
Kabidyo ka, ma'am. Ay, namatay. Wait lang, wait lang. Take video, sige. An? Tapi ito yung sis gamay siya. Hindi siya makita.
Number ni Ma. What? Ewan? Doon na siya. Bad boy magkarata. Bad boy talaga ni. Mo yung kalo. Ilburo si kiri ay.
Picture na ta.
What's up?
Kaya pag-video. Picture na ito. Dorian. Eating durian. Air pomelo.
Pala ako. Davao. Nagkaroon na ito. Hindi, pakulot yun. Pakulot na yun.